friend and family. This Jay again, guys. Today is Monday where we're going to check into what you can do with gold. This gold on 45-minute time frame. Let's check 1 hour, then we check if we can get something from it. You know? So as you can see, gold it looks oversold from 1 hour time frame, but if you go to bigger time frame, gold looks like it's still going down. As you can see, gold is clear, shows the strongest downtrend ever. Let me just show you by giving you this trend line, and you will understand what I am talking about. You know? So if you can see here, what you see is that gold uh, have managed to break this trend line. This 4 hours time frame. Just check this, which means gold have managed to break this previous and now is on this level, which means there's a possibility of or just consolidate between these two lines at the end it just go down, against this zone. But now what we're doing, we are looking for any entry, either is as a downtrend or uptrend from small time frame. If you go to 15-minute time frame, you can see a different picture. If you will use this downtrend trend line, you will clearly see that downtrend trend line is been broken. And from watching this myself, I'm gonna buy this gold for now and press my take profit probably somewhere above there. Here, even if it's possible, then I will just press another TP here, but it will depend on what I will see after getting my take profit. Why am I going to buy this? As we said this, you can see that this trend line has been broken. And our key was this zone, right? Why was this zone? Check the gold movement after breaking this and went up. It just stopped from here. Now, once it comes back down, it just managed to break the previous low that it created, right? I hope you see this. So after breaking this, we were supposed to look for a sell if gold was were could create another candle here. This could be another sign of saying that gold is doing something here. Now it just breaks this previous low, and immediately the same biggest candle it created is the same biggest candle used to reject these breaks. Then after this, instead of going up and stop from here, maybe try to come back down, it just managed to break it back, which was a clear sign of saying that gold is going up. So now, after breaking there, after breaking here, what happened is that our gold managed to give us this candle. What is it? This is called bullish piercing. Bullish piercing candle is a candle that stands for a stronger buy. The same way crowd stands for a stronger sell. So we need to understand when it comes to the candles, candles have a lot of secrets that they hide. If you see that kind of candles, you need to confirm certain or you need to take certain decision. So right now, guys, before my entry goes far, I am pressing my entries with my account here. Then I'm using 0.15 as a lot size, then we can go for what is gonna be next. So now after getting my bullish piercing, then I said that here is where my entry is going to be. After breaking, this was strong resistance. So after being broken, now price started to consolidate. As you can see, you know, it started to consolidate instead of breaking down, instead of breaking up, it started to consolidate until when we got also bullish cross here. So now let's check what 5 minutes holds for us. As we're talking now, I have already pressed my entries. I bought gold with 0.15. So if you can clearly see what is happening here with 15-minute time frame, is the same thing um that happened from 15-minute time frame. This 5 minute time frame. If you check it from here, guys, you clearly see that this was broken from a long time ago, and this was our supporter, and this was our resistance, which has become support right now. So all of this, if you could have been following up, you could have seen that we have gone um, into buying direction from a long time. But then we were not there. Some of us, it did this when we were still sleeping. But now it's clear that everyone can see this. So after having this movement of up and down, up and down, up and down, until it breaks here, then everyone could see that even if you couldn't be understanding what is happening here, then after breaking this previous resistance, then you could just confirm that you are going up no matter what. So to me, this short period uptrend is clear. I don't know what you think about, but then I bought. If you didn't buy, you can just comment in comment section below and tell us why you think maybe you could have sold on your side. It's the same way I told you the reason why I chose to buy, and the reason why I'm not gonna hold this longer because I am trading with the lower time frames, not a bigger time frame. If I can trade with the 4 hours time frame, then I cannot confirm it right now because that bigger time frame is still showing an opportunity of selling for a little bit longer. So let me just pause this video here, guys. We come back to check if I can be able to double my account here because as I'm talking here now. Each position holds $7 profit. So let's wait and see what's going to be next. Yo, what's up, my people? This Jay again here, guys. So we have come back now. As I told you, I think I've explained everything. You still remember what I said, and here's where we took our entry from. And our target was this. This was our first target, was our take profit. So our first take profit has been reached. We could have closed, but there was still more potential to keep on waiting. So now what I'm going to do, guys, I think I'm going to close this because there is a little bit difficult zone. This zone is gonna be difficult to break. So what I'm going to do now, well, is to close for now so I can see what is gonna be next. Either if to break here and give me the test and give me some candles that will allow me to buy, or if to set resistance here and push it a bit back down. Maybe it can just do this in order for it to go back and break, or it can just do this in order for it to keep on going down. But currently, what I'm going to do, guys, I am going to close my trades here because I have 700 as profit from account of 1.2. So it's not a bad. It's not bad. because I'm always trading to at least get half of my account profit or to double it or even go beyond that. But mostly my target is to get half of my capital, which is what I did. So I managed now to close my profit from 1.2 to 1.9. Let me check how much I made here. So I managed to make 798, which is almost 800 from 1.2 to 1.9 is good profit, guys. So let's keep on watching what's God gonna do after reaching that level, the second level that I'm talking about. Then you can just leave a comment in the section below and tell me what you saw, what you did after analyzing um, on your side, because I gave you the bigger picture of what I did and why I did that. Then you should tell me what you were thinking about that. You could have been sold when price was here, or you could have been bought with me here. This is a part that we're talking about where I took the entry after breaking this. Uh, so if it was you, you could have been sold or bought. If you could have been sold, tell us why. And if you could have been bought, tell us why. But don't say what I said. Tell us from your view. Then we will understand. And always we do this to help others who doesn't understand what is going on. Because the market is difficult to analyze and it's confusing. So it's not everyone who is able to understand what is happening here. But people want to know next time if they see a similar situation, what they can do. People are here to learn, guys. If you are lucky to know how to trade, remember that there's a billions of people who are still struggling who need to know, at least who needs to have the basic, who doesn't have money to pay mentors. That's why I'm always recording this video to help other people. So what I can ask you guys, if you learned trading from me, what I will ask you is to make sure, try at least teach one of your friends or one of your family or one. Teach anyone, but at least teach one for free. Even if you will charge money from others, then it's okay with you, but at least find someone who will help for free. Then God will remember you. So let me close my video, guys. I think we have said it all. There's nothing else that we're gonna say after this because we have closed our trades. We're going to analyze different pairs and see if we can get more opportunity today. Because I need one more trade, then I close my day. So let's go.